How to create a new account on Blue Sky. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily create new account on Blue Sky. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is download the application from Google Play Store or App Store. You can find it on Play Store like this. If you search for Blue Sky, you will get this app. Now, once you open up the app, you will be greeted by this home page where you have two options. If you don't have an account, you can create one, and if you already have one, you can just tap on sign in. In order to create a new account, you just have to tap on create a new account and just tap on it. Once you tap on create account, here you will have to provide your email address, and then you have to enter your password and choose your date of birth. Once you enter all of your details, you just have to tap on next. Now here you will have to enter your user handle, and then once you do that, you can just hit enter. So once you enter your username, it will check if that is available, and your full handle will be the username that you've entered .bsky.social. Tap on next, and once you do that, you will just have to complete a small captcha. So just fill in the captcha to complete it. I'm just gonna do that right now, and then once you complete your captcha, all you need to do is tap on OK and verify. Once you have been verified, your account should be created. Now you will just have to follow the on-screen prompts on what your interests are. So I'm just going to choose a few right here, tap on continue, and tap on let's go. Now it will personalize your feed depending on the choices that you have made just now, and it will show you all of the related posts. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.